Hey traders, control the trade here, and we gotta look at Peloton, which has been on an incredible run. I've been tweeting a lot about it, so why don't we take a look at the tweet. So I've been tweeting about Peloton for a long time now, as far back as when there was a 60% plus short float on it. Actually, you can see that right here. This is from over a year ago, and it's pretty remarkable how far this has come in such a short time. Kind of gives you a clue that a pullback is going to be coming soon, if it hasn't already started. So here's a tweet that I put out on January 14th. Finally shorted it today, 170.70. Any week closes above 170, and my longer term short position is in question. I like this area for a top though. We'll see. And then if we look at Peloton tweet from today, this is before the market opened. Getting below the 20-day moving average could be the first step to the trapdoor. And what's interesting, let's take a look at the chart. Look where we opened. No accident, no coincidence here, in my opinion. We jumped the 20-period moving average. I don't think Peloton has closed below the 20-period moving average in a couple of months at least. It's been a while. It's definitely been tricking a lot of traders, like in this area here. Looked like it was going to fall apart. But if you look here, we gapped below the 20-period moving average. That is definitely bearish. The funny thing is we did end up recovering at the end of the day, so this one's a little hard to read. The way I saw it during the day is that we came down to almost fill a gap, came up short, which is definitely more bullish. So you have something that looks like a reversal candle, 3 ugly days in a row, opening below the 20, get the 50 all the way down here, and you have this gap here. This one's going to be interesting. You also have the gap above, so it could easily fill this gap and then start to reverse again and just start tricking traders once again. That's what this thing does. It's very choppy. You have a lot of shorts trying to jump on this all over the place and then getting squeezed out over and over and over again. And that's how we got here in the first place, until there's no more squeeze left, which I think it's down to like a 5% float short now from 60. And that's remarkable. So got to watch this area here. This is a little former breakout and breakdown area right around here. Actually, it's part of my Fibonacci retracement here, so about 135. You have the 50-period moving average here, about 130 almost. There's definitely not a lot of upside in this, in my opinion. I don't see where else this can go. I know there's a big case fundamentally of why this is a ridiculous price. So you add fundamentals and combine those with technicals, and I think you have a pretty good case for the short here. So we're going to watch this one really close. Let's take a look at a weekly. Still a very bullish chart overall, of course. I do look for some pullbacks here, kind of like what you saw here, where we pulled back to the 20-week moving average. Maybe we'll repeat that again, and maybe this time it'll fail. That's what we'll find out. I wouldn't be surprised, though, if it made another move up. I mean, the whole market has been doing this over and over again. Reversal candles haven't meant really much of anything. But look at this candle on the monthly chart. That is pretty ugly. If you have a bullish case on this, that is a very ugly candle. So the monthly close on Peloton is something I'm going to be very interested to see. It does look like a cycle change is on the way with Peloton, something we've been expecting for a while. Just have to be very patient. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And remember, don't let the trade control you.